New words and expressions.
Music band.
The BTS is a music band.
Famous.
The Undertaker was a famous wrestler in WWE. Most people know him.
Wrestler.
They are wrestlers.
Mumps.
Mumps is not dangerous most of the time.
Rush hour.
Try not to travel during rush hour.
Make a plea.
She is making a plea to buy that.
Armed robbery.
It's an armed robbery.
Your Honor.
They call a judge Your Honor in the court.
Client.
The lawyer is making a plea to his client's contest.
Confused.
She is confused about buying which one.
Case.
The judge is working on the case.
Rarely.
Whales rarely come to the shore.
Cheating.
He's cheating on the test.
Contest.
He is making a plea to his client's contest.
Take.
She is taking the box. Rule 1. To make question forms, just put to be verbs in the past, was or were, at the beginning of the sentences. Notice how to answer the questions. Subject pronouns with to be in the past tense. Comparing with question forms and answers.
Affirmative form. I was. You were. He was. She was. It was. We were. You were. They were.
Question forms and answers. Was I? Were you?
Yes, you were. Yes, I was. No, you weren't. No, I wasn't.
Were you?
Yes, I was. No, I was not. No, I wasn't.
Was he?
Yes, he was. No, he was not. No, he wasn't.
Was she?
Yes, she was. No, she was not. No, she wasn't.
Was it?
Yes, it was. No, it was not. No, it wasn't.
Were we? Were you?
Yes, you were. Yes, we were. No, you weren't. No, we weren't.
Were you?
Yes, we were. No, we were not. No, we weren't.
Were they?
Yes, they were. No, they were not. No, they weren't.
More examples of question forms and answers in the past with to be. Was the flower a bud before?
Yes, it was. It was a bud.
Was the toad a fish before?
No, it wasn't. It was a tadpole.
What was the horse before?
It was a colt.
Was he a boy 30 years ago?
Yes, he was. He was a boy.
Was she at home yesterday?
No, she wasn't. She was at work.
Was the BTS a band before 2010?
No, it wasn't. It was after 2010.
Was Rihanna a singer before?
Yes, she was. She was a singer.
Was Undertaker a wrestler before?
Yes, he was. He was a famous wrestler in WWE.
Phrasal verbs Part 5. Phrasal verbs consisting of the verb get. Part 1.
It's nice to get together with people. To get together means to meet people to do something or to spend time.
They seem to get on pretty well. To get on means to have a friendly relationship.
He usually gets on with his work all night. To get on with means to continue doing something.
I'm getting behind with my work. To get behind with means to fail to make enough progress.
Let's get this meeting over with, or we never leave before rush hour. To get over with means to do something that must be done.
It takes him 1 or 2 weeks to get over mumps. To get over means to recover from an illness.
Let's get this meeting over with, or we never get away before 8 p.m. To get away means to leave a place or person.
Jack always makes cheats on tests and gets away. To get away means to do something bad without being punished. Listen to the conversation and repeat it many times. Notice how to ask questions and answer them with past of to be.
Conversation 2.
Where were you last night?
I was at work.
Really? I was at your shop. You weren't there.
No, I was in the back working.
You were?
Really? I was there.
Sharpen your ears by listening to real sounds. You will see each clip twice, first without related text, and the second time with the text. Repeat them many times.
Take your brother outside as fast as you can. Don't look back. Now, Gene. Take your brother outside as fast as you can. Don't look
Rarely in the case of armed robbery do we hear a plea of no contest. Are you sure about this, Mr. Schofield?
I'm sure, Your Honor.
Rarely in the case of armed robbery do we hear a plea of no contest. Are you sure about this, Mr. Schofield?
I'm sure, Your Honor.
Your Honor, we'd like to recess if we could. My client's a bit confused at the moment.
I'm not, Your Honor.
He is, Your Honor. Your Honor, we'd like to recess if we could. My client's a bit confused at the moment.
I'm not, Your Honor.
He is, Your Honor.